This black EONO3D PETG filament in 1.75mm diameter comes on a very large 5 kilogram spool, which is excellent for long production runs and farm-style printing, where frequent spool changes are a hassle. The material offers a strong balance of toughness and flexibility, giving noticeably higher impact resistance and heat tolerance than typical polylactic acid, while avoiding the warping issues often seen with acrylonitrile, butadiene styrene. Dimensional control is impressively tight, with consistent filament diameter that helps maintain smooth extrusion, clean layer lines, and reliable tolerances on detailed or long-duration prints. Bed adhesion and layer bonding are both strong, so large functional parts, brackets, and jigs tend to print with fewer edge lifts and delamination problems when settings are dialed in correctly. The filament is supplied thoroughly dried and vacuum sealed, which is important for polyethylene terephthalate glycol to minimize moisture-related popping, stringing, and surface haze right out of the bag. Compatibility with most fused deposition modeling printers that use 1.75mm filament makes this a practical bulk choice for users who need durable, outdoor-capable parts in a consistent, deep black finish.